Stranger things has happened, but how could the padlock lock that is inside here pop out and fall off to the ground? Well, it's Saturday Fix It. So if you're ready, let's go check out how we're going to be able to fix this thing back and make it work. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and this is our Saturday Fix It. You know, Saturday for me is for the house and where I used to fix things because, of course, you know, I have little kids, and before the end of the week, they probably will give you something to fix. So then what do? I fix it. So let's go check out whether we'll be able to do this one and what's going to take. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do is to loosen all the screws here both ways. So I've done that so it will be easy for us. So when you've done that, you're going to bring out the handle, and then you're going to bring out the handle. So the next thing you want to do is to loosen the lock controller. You also pull this one out. You can do that from here. So I haven't done this one before now, but let's say I'm going to do it very fast. So once you do that, we'll probably be able to bring this one out. So this one controls the lock. So once we're done, we're not going to lose this one, the padlock or the lock. I don't know what this one is not. So there's this, actually the big one. So there's it. So this guy is out. So we're going to go in and we're going to go work on it. Let's look at this key. This guy have to go into this place a bit. So first we're going to open it up. So good. So yeah. So this should be down, and this should be here. So what I want to know is, how does this guy get out of here? Okay, so this guy turns and it switches on here, and it switches. So I think what we need to do is to find something that holds this together. That's what we need to do. So go back to the door, and I think we found the missing piece here. And what we can see. So this is the missing piece. It should be the thing that stays in here. But I don't know why it's not kind of sealed or something that can hook. So that I can hook down. So I'm going to put some oil here, maybe on the body here, so that it's going to be very smooth. The metal movement to be a little bit smoother. Okay, I think we've got it, so let me just pull it back. So you got to make sure that this place is put in. Back in, so I discovered that something is missing here. So with this place being able to shake, so this thing can readjust. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to move this one here. I thought the screws were complete because I think this is more of a danger area. So I'm going to move this one down since we're missing a screw. And then I'm going to find something, any screw that can go in there. See whether this one will be able to go in. Yeah, might damage the rail, but I think it's similar size. So I just want to use it to just hold this key tight, because this thing goes through a lot of banging of the door. Unbelievable. Okay, so we've started this, and let's see whether we're able to move this key This key is not working. It's not bringing it. Now we have gotten the proper set, so we're gonna lock it up. See. Okay, there you go. Okay, I think we are good. Now we have fixed our key. As you can see, we've been able to fix our key. Yeah, we're going to try to put it back. To put it back, we're going to remove this lock control quickly. So let's see. Yes, we can get it. And so that's it. We have our door working. Now we have our key back, and let's go. 1, 2, and it's not gonna fall out. 1, 2, and we close our door. 1, 2. So that's it. It's our Saturday fix. We've been able to fix this door, and it was so simple. So if you like it, just click on that subscribe button and tell me, let me know if you want me to be showing you more of these fixes. There are a whole lot of things to fix, and I love fixing things. I feel like I was born to fix things. So this is my Depot Tech. I'm recording this video with Google Camera Gcam port 8.8, and the greatest feature it brought out on Android is the ability for me to record with any Bluetooth, as in here, straight from the camera, and it will capture the audio from here. And make sure you subscribe if you want to see me do that video, because I will be coming out soon. And until I see you in the next Saturday fix, it's peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.